To make this healthy green moong dosa, we need 250 grams green moong soaked in water. Green chili or red chili, curry leaves, Himalayan pink salt, some cumin seeds and ginger slices. Make paste all together. Add 1/4 cup of water in this batter. Warm a very good quality dosa tawa, sprinkle some oil and wipe it with some cotton cloth. Now pour 1 ladle full of batter. Give a shape with the help of a steel katori or steel bowl. I am trying to make it healthy. Already it has no rice flour or rice in it, so it's good for diabetic patients too. And green moong has lots of nutrients, and I have added the spices which has lots of good qualities. Sprinkle some olive oil all over. And now you can see how crispy it is. No need to flip it, but I want it very crispy from inside and outside. So I'm flipping it. Turn it and try to cover all the oils. You need to sprinkle a very little amount of oil. So you can use any oil of your choice. You can eat this green moong dosa with chutney of your choice as an evening snack or with sambar or any choice of dal and chutney as lunch or dinner. Now again clean the tawa, dosa tawa with damp cotton cloth. Remember, take a towel kind of very thick cotton cloth to avoid burning of your hand. Now this tawa is clean. It will give you a very good shape round dosa. Again 1 ladle full of batter I am pouring, and with the help of a steel katori I am making a very good round shaped dosa. You can add onion and garlic also in this paste when you are making batter in mixer grinder, but I prefer to make it no onion, no garlic. Now flip it after 3-4 minutes. You can see how crispy it is, how thin it is. Cook it for another 4 minutes and now fold it and serve it as you like. I am serving it with plain sambar dal and chutney. I am eating in lunch. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching. Bye.